Have you ever wondered why experienced electricians keep a rivet in their toolbox? Most people think rivets are only for joining metal sheets, but this electrician found a clever way to use one when making a cable splice. With a simple modification, he created a connection that's secure, practical, and surprisingly strong. The most impressive part is that it uses an inexpensive part that almost every workshop already has. Once you see the final result, you'll understand why this trick catches everyone's attention. After learning this technique, you'll never look at a rivet the same way again.